beauties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Alyssa. For those of you that are new here, we are so close to 200 subscribers, and I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot to me, and I appreciate every single one of you. And today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on the Born to Be Wild, right? No. Born to Run. So we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial with the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay. I was in Sephora and I knew I wanted a new palette, especially for my channel's purposes. And just because who doesn't want a new palette, let's be honest. Didn't need it, but I wanted it. And I got it. So, I was between this, the new Fenty one's coming out, there's a NARS one that I don't have, and I just know that every time Urban Decay comes out with a palette, it is superb. Their eyeshadow quality is just fabulous, and this palette is just insane with the amount of looks you can create. I already have at least 2 other videos, so there'll be like at least a minimum of 3 videos dedicated to this palette. I have 3 other looks in mind. Today's look is more of the blue, you know, smoky mermaid type of look, and then I have a fiery look planned and a pinky smoky eye, kind of like the 25C that I did, that you can also recreate with this. And then I was also thinking, why not throw in a natural look, because you guys pay, I believe this palette was $59. If I'm wrong, I'll be corrected, right, y'all? You guys paid $59 for this palette. Why not get the most use out of it? So I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail about this palette because I talk a heck of a lot, but as you can see, we have an array of shades. We have some gorgeous oranges, beautiful blues, this green. I love a good forest green. This is a little brighter than a forest green. This color we work a lot with today, and I absolutely love it. And then this color, Blaze, I absolutely am obsessed with. We have some gorgeous pink magentas, a great highlight, awesome transitions. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 matte shades, and the rest are all shimmers. I would say shimmers, not really like glitters, they're shimmers. And Urban Decay's eyeshadow quality is just so buttery smooth. I don't even know why. It was so funny because I was like, I'm probably not gonna ever use this palette. Like, I don't do colors at all. And then I put this look on and I was like, I'm gonna wear colors a lot more now. Because they're just, oh God, they're so good. So I'm not going to do swatches of all the shades just because I feel like I am a total blabbermouth and all I do is talk. And I tried to make this tutorial a little quicker. And we're really focusing in on the eye look, just like all our other Spotlight palette episodes. Wow, I can't even talk. But I'm really excited for you guys to watch. If you like this look, let's get into it. I found a new lip gloss I like out of this video. I found new eyelashes that I'm obsessed with in this video, and I found a new go-to look that I'm totally gonna be rocking all the time now. And I used to be terrified of color, and I've since then branched out. But other than that, let's jump on into it and show you how I fixed my face. All right, guys, keep watching.
Are we recording right now?
I am, but it's not gonna be in the video. I'm gonna cut all this out.
What up, fam?
Oh, I'll leave that part in. And she makes her return. I think we should keep this going because no one's actually seen what you look like yet. It's just in the background.
Sounds good to me.
Okay, so I'm going to take my Sigma E40 brush and go in with the first shade, Weekender. And that is going to be our first transition shade. Next, we're going to take my Sigma E70 brush and go in with the shade Radio. Really just focusing that in on the crease, like so. So as you can see, this shade is super buildable. Because we're not even on both sides, I'm gonna go in one more sweep on the other side. Now we're gonna take that previous brush. Actually, we're just gonna take a clean E40 and blend that out. Like I do in every other video. Now using some creamy radiant concealer, I'm going to take my pointed M705 brush and just clean up that inner corner a little. I'm not going for a cut crease, so I'm not too worried about that outer corner, but just focusing in on this inner corner. Next, we are going to take Big Sky with my Sigma shading brush that I accidentally dipped my nail into. And we're just gonna pat that along the center of the lid. I am loving this color. I don't want to go too close to the inner corner because we're going to go in with another fabulous shade in this palette. I'm actually going to go in with my pinky just to really get, yes, some of that payoff. And like I said, this isn't a cut crease look, so I'm okay with it blending out. Now this next color I'm going to be using is Blaze, and this one you're going to, I want the highest amount of pigment we can get, and I can't really use my finger for where I want to place it, so I'm going to take a Morphe M560 brush and just get a little wet and dip it on in to Blaze. We're just gonna go all up in that. Look at how pretty that is. It is this beautiful peachy pink, almost rose gold iridescent shade. And I really want to pack that color on and then blend it into Big Sky. That name makes me laugh because if you live in the Atlanta area, you know what Big Sky is very well. This look is giving me some extreme mermaid vibes right now. Next, we're going to take my handy dandy outer corner Sephora brush that I've had for so long I don't know the name of, and we're going to take the shade Drift. And we're just going to get that in that outer corner, lightly packing it over Big Sky just for a little bit of definition. And this shade is also very buildable, but we're just going to keep it really faint just to add a light amount of definition. And if you like your outer corner to be a little more dark, you can totally build up this color to do so. Now we're just going to do the same thing on the other eye. And we're just going to blend this out. This is a Mermaid Smokey Eye if I've ever seen one. Then I'm going to take my pinky and just go back over Big Sky one more time. Just because I really want this shade and Blaze to pop the most. Now I'm going to take my Sigma eyeliner brush, not eyeliner brush, eye pencil brush. I'm going with the shade Breakaway. We're just going to dab that on that outermost part of that corner, just to give it a little more extra pop. And we're also going to take it as our brow highlight. This is super pretty brow highlight. Okay, now I'm going to brush away all this extra powder. Okay, now it's time for the lower lash line. So I'm going to take my Morphe M213 brush and we're going to go back in to Big Sky. We're going to smoke out this lower lash line. Kind of want to smoke out that lower lash line, but bring it up to that outer corner connecting the two. Now I'm going to take a Morphe M559 and go in with Drift. We're going to tight line with Drift. And I'm only going about a third the way in. So I'm going to throw on some Better Than Sex mascara. Now I'm going to go in and do a little bit of blush. I want to use a very light pink blush, like very faint, just barely there blush color for this look, since it is a little more colorful than what I'm normally used to. So I'm going to take my Morphe M530 brush. It kind of looks like it's been through hell, so just ignore it. And we're going to go in with Dandelion by Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm just going to go right on the apples of my cheeks and up a little. Then I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush A23, and then the Tarteist Pro, wow, what is wrong with me? Tarteist Pro Glow highlighter palette. And I'm going to go in with this gold shade right here called Lit. And then I'm going to mix that with Stunner. So mermaid's got a glow, right? Okay, now I'm going to go blow dry my hair, throw on a pair of lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. I went ahead and did a very, very thin black eyeliner, and I thought this very mermaid-esque look called for a little, you know, side braid. The lashes that I am using are by a company that's not very well known and have become my favorite lashes of all times. I've tried the Lily lashes and I think they're beautiful. I just think my eyes are personally way too small for those lashes. And this is from a lash company called Dark Cosmetics, and I actually looked online because they no longer sell my absolute favorite pair, Darla. So if you're listening out there, Darla, Dark Cosmetics, let's get it back. Anyway, I think these are my next new favorite, and they are called Dynasty, and I have them on my lashes now, and they're absolutely stunning. And these are still available on their website for $20. They are mink lashes, I believe. If they're not, I'll put a little message down below saying that I lied and that I'm an awful person, because they're not. But I believe they are, and they're $20, and they last for so long. I have had the Darla lashes for forever, and they last, like, I swear, more than 30 wears, as long as you take care of it, given. But I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see, because I am obsessed. They are just gorgeous lashes, and they last all night. Apply them onto my eyes with House of Lashes adhesive, and they never fall off, ever. So next I figured I'll do my lips on camera with y'all. I wanted to do a nudie pink color. Actually, Ophelia would look really nice with this. But I have these two Bare Minerals, and one is a lip gloss and one is a mini matte color in the shade Boss. Let's see if this is a color I want to work with. I feel like that might be a little too pink for this look, and I think I'm going to go with Ophelia. First, I'm going to line my lips with Frenchie by Morphe Cosmetics. Now for Ophelia by Kat Von D. Fun fact, I want to name my future daughter Ophelia, and all my friends make fun of me for it. I think this lip shade just complements this look so well. And then I really like the color of this gloss. This is Bare Minerals Gloss in Sugar. I'm just going to let that dry, and I'm going to put a little on the center of my lips. Ooh. I think we just found a new favorite gloss and lashes today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm digging this look. Oh, it's one of those lip glosses that don't taste good but look good. So that is it for this look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I typically don't fool around with blue eyes and eyeshadows, and I tend to be a very neutral and natural but smoky type of gal, but I'm liking this. I'm really liking this, and I know for a fact I'm going to be doing more tutorials with this because this palette is just so diverse and there's so much you can do. And when you buy a palette, why not do more than one tutorial to show people how to use it? Because that's why you bought it, right? Right? Alright, so that is it for this video. And hopefully this awkward ending. Gosh, how do you end the videos? I don't even know. How do people do it? Bye? Question mark? I don't even know. don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and post, because I love to see everyone's recreations and it just makes my day. So bye guys. Thanks for watching.